All right. Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Juliana White, and welcome to Industrial Sage Studios. We are so excited to share with you one of Modex 2020's top 10 educational seminars live from our studio. So get ready to increase your productivity with these ergonomic principles. I'm joined virtually today by Jeff Hoyle, Director of Ergonomic Services at the Ergonomic Center of North Carolina State University. And we also have Rob Doucette, the Senior Applications Engineer with BOSTONtec. So we're going to get right in and get started with Jeff, who is going to quickly define ergonomics and tell us why they are so important. Thanks for joining us today, Jeff.
Well, certainly thank you for having us, and welcome everybody for this webinar. And I guess just jumping right into this definition, and I may be preaching to the choir here, but really I will say ergonomics is a scientific discipline, but really just a quick and simple definition. It's just fitting the task to the worker, not the worker to the task. So it's really thinking about the needs, the capabilities, and the limitations of us as people, and trying to figure out how can we change the job or the work to meet our needs and our capabilities. There's another definition of ergonomics that I like to also use that's not up here. It's one that the International Ergonomics Association uses that basically says ergonomics has two primary aims, right? Number one is to improve employee well-being, and number two is to optimize performance, okay? So if ergonomics is really done right, both of those aims can be met. And so why is ergonomics more important now than ever before? I think we all know that there's no such thing as the average worker, especially here in the United States, where we have a very diverse workforce. We have people from various countries, various ethnicities, all moving here and working together. And you know, the goal behind ergonomics is to try to accommodate the majority of our workforce. So it's trying to accommodate different strength capabilities, different sizes of individuals, different reach capabilities. And obviously there's other societal trends that are going on today that make ergonomics more important now than ever before. The aging trend, this is not only within the United States, but internationally. And what happens as we age? Yes, we get wiser, right? But other things start to happen as well. Our strength goes down, tissue tolerance goes down, vision loss, hearing loss, and we have to accommodate for this aging workforce.